This is the unboxing of the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, which is available on Amazon now. The specs are 7-inch display and it has a resolution of 300 ppi and has a storage of 32 gigs. And again, it is wireless. It has wireless charging and it is waterproof as well. And you get a wire and some instruction manuals and other things with the packaging. It's not that heavy, I would say, and not that bulky as compared to the last gen they had. There's no bump at the back, which they previously had. This is the black and white edition. It's not the color soft edition. Just a quick setup. Sure does take some time. I would say it has a nice feeling. And this color is the metallic black. The second option is metallic jade. It's really faster than the last gen. It's a lot quicker when you're scrolling. Still loading the books. I've spent some time using it and I'm really enjoying reading books on it because it you can hold it in your hands. Uh, in a sense, it's better as compared to the last gen, which had a bump at the back, which felt a bit weird because it would get out of your hand. This one, it's pretty nice and lightweight, and it's quite fast. The page turning thing. So this is the book from the Amazon, and yeah. You can change font and other things on the Kindle. So I wanted to try out the PDF. Usually the PDFs are really slow on Kindle, but this one is, I would say, it's all right. Not as fast as the books, but it can handle PDFs. Although the